19 to them lawyer.
Online Manipuri YouTube channel is being video mayam pumnampu amukahna taram noksari han madayam namaru iba pawama update tausake. Gratified to inaugurate a bridge over Hon'ble River at 3.75 km PKZ number MN08103 constructed under PMGSY at Kiam Haibong Lerak Hon'ble today in presence of Honorable MLA and senior officials. The bridge will with the funds sanctioned under PMGSY will enhance connectivity and also contribute to the creation of employment opportunities. The economic life of the areas connected by this bridge will be transformed and it will be user in prosperity and growth. Haidiba Hon'ble Bridge asi Honorable Yumnam Khemsan amadi Honorable MLA Megasandra na Thong Sangakhre bani. Aduga atopa update amana G20gi inspection satpani lambida drug faba isasu yaujare ngasidi well done Bishnupur police haina Sir and Biren Singh na phongduk pikre came across a drug seizure on the way to Sangai Trick Park Moirang Khuno in Bishnupur district today. The team of CDO Bishnupur led by ASI Birendra Aimol assisted by ASI S Ojit under the supervision of Inspector Sakti Sen OC CDO Bishnupur was conducting regular frisking and a jeep compass bearing R number MN01 AZ7875 was stopped at around 9 am. The driver identified himself as Ngaikhulet Wongdim 30 son of Hangkulal Hangdim of Phoilem village Sandan district and passenger Hingnaikem Hongdim wife of the above. On searching their vehicle, 101 soap cases containing suspected heroin number 4 was found concealed and seized from the spot. The person have been arrested and a case is being registered at Bishnupur police station. Our security personnel are working day and night in the war on drugs and I urge all to extend support and cooperate to completely root out the drug menace from the state. Video sing bibagi damakta mayampung nangpam kahna thagachari ano update kita makta nuksi video na channel subscribe to binamu. Thank you so much.